So, headlight switch on a 53, 47 through 54, I guess. If you look in there, that little button on the side, you push the little button, pull your headlight switch, pull your headlight switch all the way out, reach under, push the button, and it'll let it come out. That little spring-loaded button. And then you take a screwdriver, that's it.